Start. The allegations made in the first information report disclosed that there are serious allegations against the appellant accused that he fraudulently got executed the power of attorney was minor aged 9 years on the date when the deed was said to have been signed by him. Stop. It is also alleged that respondent number 5, who is said to be another person who executed the power of attorney, was away from India on the date of alleged execution of the deed. Stop. In Arun versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others, this court has held that if the allegations in the first information report are not frivolous, malafide, or vexatious, it cannot be simply quashed for the reason that civil suit is also pending in the matter. Paragraphs 2, 3, and 33 of said case are reproduced below. Stop para. The factual score as depicted is that the appellant is a within bracket NRI living in Germany, and while looking for a property in Greater Noida, he came in contact with respondent number 2 and her husband, who claimed to be the owner of the property in question and offered to sell the same. Stop. On 24/3/2008, as alleged, both the husband and wife agreed to sell the residential plot bearing number 131, block Urban Estate, Sector 4, Greater Noida, UP, for a consideration of rupees 2,43,000, and an agreement to that effect was executed by respondent number 3. Both the husband and wife jointly received a sum of rupees 1,05,000 from the appellant towards part payment of the sale consideration. Stop. It was further agreed that respondents number 2 and 3 would obtain permission from the Greater Noida Authority to transfer the property in his favor and execute the deed of transfer within 45 days from the grant of such permission. Stop. As the factual antecedents would further reveal, the said agreement was executed on the basis of registered agreement executed in favor of respondent number 3 by original allotee to sell the said plot. Stop. After expiry of a month or so, the appellant inquired from respondent number 3 about the progress of delivery of possession from the original allotee, but he received conflicting and contradictory replies, which created doubt in his mind and impelled him to rush to Noida and find out the real facts from the Greater Noida Authority. Stop. On due inquiry, he came to know that there was a registered agreement in favor of the third respondent. Stop. overall.